Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring three tiny but powerful words, in, on, and at.
These are prepositions that show location and time.
Understanding them helps you describe where and when correctly.
They're used in almost every English sentence.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all three confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words do.
They show position in space or time.
In is for enclosed spaces and longer time periods.
In is for surfaces and specific days.
At is for specific points in space or time.
Let's explore each one.
Word 1. In.
In shows something is inside or enclosed.
The key idea is within boundaries.
For time, in is for longer periods, months, years, seasons.
For place, in is for enclosed spaces.
Uses of in for place.
Use 1. Inside buildings or rooms.
In the house, in the office, in my room.
Use 2. Inside containers.
In the box, in the bag, in the cup.
Use 3. Cities, countries, and large areas.
In Tokyo, in Japan, in the park, in the world.
Use 4. Enclosed spaces or vehicles.
In the car, in the taxi, in the elevator.
Uses of in for time.
Use 1, months.
Use 1. Months.
In January, in December, in March.
Use 2. Years.
In 2024, in 1990, in the future.
Use 3. Seasons.
In summer, in winter, in the spring.
Use 4. Parts of the day in general.
In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening.
Word 2. On.
On shows something is on top of a surface or touching.
The key idea is contact with a surface.
For time, on is for specific days and dates.
For place, on is for surfaces.
Uses of on for place.
Use 1. On top of surfaces.
On the table, on the floor, on the wall.
Use 2. On streets and roads.
On Main Street, on Fifth Avenue, on the highway.
Use 3. Public transportation, surfaces you stand on.
On the bus, on the train, on the plane.
Use 4. Body parts as surfaces.
On my hand, on her face, on his shoulder.
Uses of on for time.
Use 1. Specific days of the week.
On Monday, on Friday, on weekends.
Use 2. Specific dates.
On March 15th, on New Year's Day, on my birthday.
Use 3. Special days.
On Christmas, on Independence Day, on Valentine's Day.
Word 3. At.
At shows a specific point or precise location.
The key idea is an exact spot or moment.
For time, at is for precise times.
For place, at is for specific locations.
Uses of at for place.
Use 1. Specific buildings or locations as a point.
At the store, at the hospital, at school.
Use 2. Addresses with numbers.
At 123 Main Street, at 456 Oak Avenue.
Use 3. Events or activities.
At the party, at the concert, at the meeting.
Use 4. Specific points or positions.
At the door, at the window, at the corner.
Uses of at for time. Use 1. Specific clock times.
At 3 p.m., at noon, at midnight, at 7:30.
Use 2. Specific moments.
At breakfast time, at lunchtime, at sunrise.
Use 3. Age.
At 25 years old, at age 18, at the age of 30.
The key differences.
In equals enclosed plus longer time periods.
On equals surface or contact plus specific days.
At equals specific point plus exact time.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, where's your meeting today?
It's at the office in the conference room on the 3rd floor. The meeting is at 2 p.m. on Tuesday.
Oh, I have a meeting at 3 p.m. Where are you right now?
I'm in my car on the highway. I'll be at work in 30 minutes.
Are your documents in your bag?
Yes, they're in the folder on top of my briefcase. I put them there on Monday.
Great. I'll see you at the office.
Perfect. I'll wait for you in the lobby at 1:45.
Did you notice all three prepositions?
At the office, specific location.
In the conference room, enclosed space.
On the third floor, surface level.
At 2 p.m., specific time.
On Tuesday, specific day.
At 3 p.m., specific time.
In my car, enclosed vehicle.
On the highway, surface, road.
At work, specific location.
In 30 minutes, time period.
In your bag, enclosed container.
In the folder, enclosed.
On top of my briefcase, surface.
On Monday, specific day.
At the office.
In the lobby.
At 1:45.
All three used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using in for specific times.
Wrong, in 3 p.m. Correct, at 3 p.m.
Specific times need at.
Wrong, in January. Correct, in January.
Months need in.
Wrong, on the room. Correct, in the room.
Enclosed spaces need in.
Wrong, on Main Street. Correct, on Main Street.
Streets are surfaces. Use on.
Wrong, in Monday. Correct, on Monday.
Days need on.
In different contexts.
Places.
In the kitchen, in the garden, in the building, in the city.
Time periods.
In 2025, in April, in the 1990s, in the past.
States or conditions.
In trouble, in love, in pain, in a hurry.
On in different contexts.
Surfaces. In the desk, on the bed, on the ceiling, on the ground.
Days.
On Sunday, on the weekend, on Christmas Day.
Technology.
On TV, on the radio, on the internet, on the phone.
At in different contexts.
Specific locations. At home, at work, at school, at the station.
Exact times.
At 5 o'clock, at dawn, at night, at the moment.
Events.
At the wedding, at the conference, at the game.
Comparing them directly.
Same situation, different prepositions. In Paris, city. On the Champs-Élysées, street. At the Eiffel Tower, specific point.
In 2024, year. On March 15th, date. At 3 p.m., time.
In the building, inside. On the 5th floor, level. At room 501, specific point.
Each shows different aspects.
Transportation.
Small vehicles, in.
In the car, in the taxi, in the truck.
Large public transport, on.
On the bus, on the train, on the plane, on the ship.
But we say in a boat.
Exception for small boats.
Time expressions.
Parts of day.
In the morning, general. At 8 a.m., specific.
On Monday morning, specific day plus morning.
Body parts.
In internal.
In my heart, in my mind, in my blood.
On for external surface.
On my face, on my hand, on my arm.
Addresses.
Street names, on.
On Oak Street. On 5th Avenue.
Street numbers, at.
At 123 Main Street.
Cities, in.
In New York. In Tokyo.
Real life scenarios.
Meeting someone.
Meet me at the cafe on Main Street at 6 p.m. on Friday.
Describing location.
I live in Boston in an apartment on the 10th floor.
Telling time.
I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning on weekdays.
Detailed examples.
Work situations.
I'm at the office, in a meeting, sitting on a chair.
School.
Classes start at 8 a.m. Students sit on chairs in the classroom.
Home.
I'm at home, in the living room, sitting on the sofa.
Shopping.
The store is on Park Avenue. I'll be there at noon. Items are in the back.
Traveling.
I'm on the plane now. We arrive in London at 6 p.m. on Tuesday.
Restaurants.
Let's meet at the restaurant on Main Street at 7 p.m. on Saturday.
Movies.
The movie starts at 8 p.m. I'll wait in the lobby on the second floor.
Special expressions.
Within. In time, not late. In advance, before. In a moment, soon.
With on time, punctual, on purpose, intentionally, on sale, discounted.
With at last, finally, at least, minimum, at once, immediately.
Seasons and holidays.
Seasons use in summer, in winter, in the fall.
Holidays use on Christmas, on Easter, but at Christmas time.
Corner and edge.
Different uses.
At the corner, point. On the corner, street corner.
On the edge, surface. At the edge, point.
Countries and cities.
Always in.
In France, in Paris, in the USA, in California.
Floors and levels.
Always on.
On the first floor, on ground level, on the top floor.
Fixed phrases.
Memorize these.
In a row, in a line, in a circle.
On foot, on fire, on vacation.
At risk, at war, at peace.
Directions.
Using prepositions. Go straight on this road. Turn left at the corner. The shop is in the plaza.
Weather and nature.
Different uses.
In the sun, within. On a sunny day, specific day.
In the rain, within. In the shade, within area.
Position versus location.
On for position on surface.
The book is on the table.
In for location inside.
The book is in the drawer.
At for general location.
I'm at the library.
Media and communication.
On for most media.
On TV. On the radio. On the news. On social media.
In for print.
In the newspaper. In a magazine. In a book.
At for conversations.
At the discussion. At the presentation. Arrival.
Different meanings.
Arrive in, cities, countries. Arrive in Paris.
Arrive at specific places.
Arrive at the hotel.
Arrive on, not common, except arrive on time.
Night.
Special case.
At night, the time. In the night, during the night period.
Both correct, slightly different meaning.
Comparative examples.
All three together.
I was born in 1990 on June 15th at 3 p.m.
I live in New York, on Fifth Avenue, at 123.
The meeting is in June on the 20th at 10 a.m. Questions.
Asking about place.
Where are you? I'm in the office. I'm on the bus. I'm at school.
Asking about time.
When is it? In March. On Monday. At 5 p.m.
Education contexts.
Study in the library. Sit on a chair. Meet at 4 p.m.
Sports and recreation.
Play in the park. On the field. Games start at 6 p.m.
Medical situations.
Wait in the hospital. On the third floor. Appointment at 10 a.m.
Banking and finance.
Money in the account. Transaction on Monday. Arrive at the bank.
Technology use.
Information in the database. Displayed on the screen. Click at the icon. Social gatherings.
Party in the house, dancing on the floor, starts at 8 p.m. on Saturday.
Cooking and kitchen.
Ingredients in the fridge, cutting on the board, cook at high heat.
Clothing and fashion.
Shirt in the closet, stain on the sleeve, bought at the mall.
Nature and outdoors.
Trees in the forest, birds on the branches, sunrise at 6 a.m.
Music and performance.
Concert in the hall, on stage, performance at 7 p.m. on Friday.
Photography.
Camera in the bag, photo on the wall, taken at sunset.
Celebrations.
Birthday in May, cake on the table, party at noon on the 15th.
Sleep and rest.
Sleep in the bedroom, lying on the bed, wake at 7 a.m.
Reading and libraries.
Books in the library, on the shelf, open at 9 a.m.
Parking and vehicles.
Car in the garage, parked on the street, arrived at midnight.
Weather descriptions.
Rain in the forecast, clouds on the horizon, storm at 3 p.m.
Exercise and gym.
Workout in the gym, running on the treadmill, class at 6 p.m.
Business meetings.
Meeting in the boardroom, presentation on the projector, starts at 2 p.m.
Post and mail.
Letter in the mailbox, stamp on the envelope, sent on Tuesday.
Hobbies and crafts.
Supplies in the drawer, working on the table, finish at 5 p.m.
Family activities.
Gather in the living room, sitting on the couch, dinner at 6 p.m.
Community and public.
Events in the town hall, on the main square, starting at 10 a.m.
Quick review. In equals enclosed spaces, longer time periods.
Place, rooms, buildings, cities, countries, containers.
Time, months, years, seasons, morning, afternoon, evening.
In the room, in 2024, in summer, in the morning.
On equals surfaces, specific days.
Place, tables, floors, walls, streets, levels.
Time, days of the week, dates, special days.
On the table, on Monday, on March 15th, on Christmas.
At equals specific points, exact times.
Place, specific locations, addresses, events.
Time, clock times, moments, age.
At school, at 123 Main Street, at 3 p.m., at noon.
General rule. In equals general or enclosed. On equals surface or contact. At equals specific point.
Transportation, in small vehicles, on public transport.
Streets, on the street, at the address.
Parts of the day, in the morning, at 8 a.m., on Monday morning.
You now understand all three completely.
These tiny words make huge differences in meaning.
Use them to describe location and time precisely.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Write a sentence using all three prepositions.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.